Hello, Earth Warriors. I'm Mr. Soily, your soil scientist. Today, I'll teach you a simple way to grow mushrooms using wooden shavings and cardboard. Are you ready? Let's get started. You'll need wooden shavings, cardboard, mushroom spawn, a spray bottle, and a container or grow bag. No soil needed, just nature's magic. Soak the wooden shavings and cardboard in water overnight. After 12 hours, squeeze out excess water. Tear the cardboard into small pieces and mix it with the damp wooden shavings. Make sure the mixture is damp but not dripping wet. Mushrooms love the dark. Keep your setup in a cool, humid, and dark place. In 3 to 4 weeks, you'll see tiny mushroom pins growing. Keep misting them, and soon, they'll be ready to harvest. When the mushroom caps are fully open, gently twist and pull to harvest. Enjoy fresh, homegrown mushrooms. Mushroom farming is easy, fun, and sustainable. Try it at home and share your mushroom journey with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.